Who's the strongest plumber? Come on, let's see you. I'm going to give you half a chance. I'm going to turn it that way. I think. This is going to be a bastard. Oh. Hold the rod down, pull up. Hang on. Yeah, go on and go.
What are you doing? I got a ratchet one there, man.
Oh my God.
Is that mine?
That's mine now, Liz.
No way.
You've got no chance there. This is nasty, right? All that.
What's the matter?
Guns just come out, bud. Do you want to have a go?
Why do you use a ratchet on it?
You can use all you want, but if you can't move, you can't move it. Ratchet, don't want to move it.
You want to do a film?
Come on, I get my guns in it. Let me have a go. If I can't do it, Keith, you can have a go, alright? You got no chance, but that's blowtorch, that is. That is, do you want to have a rip? There's a part of me that doesn't want you to do it, but then the other part of me does. Get your knee against it, maybe. Alright, let's blow a torch on the inside, yo. Oh, you want to use a lever? Oh, get your feet moved.
Fucking piece of piss, boys. Fucking hell. Come on, man.